y'all, so I wanted to give you a room tour of what it's like here at Okinawa. So we are on Camp Foster and we are staying at the Westpac Lodge. And so yeah, we're staying at the Westpac Lodge, Okinawa. I just got into my room, wanted to give y'all a little tour, and I'm trying to think if there's anything else. So I'm staying with, there's one other girl in the room. She is from California. Her name is Christina. She's not here right now. But yeah, so there's two of us in the room. Here's a little, and it's really small, y'all. It's just like a little, it's basically a hotel. So we're like in a hotel lodge area. And yeah, so when you walk in, this is what it looks like. It's our little, you know, little dormy area type thing. So we have our table right here. We have our kitchenette area, which just has a stovetop, which is really nice. We have a sink. There's dishes that it comes with, which is nice. We have pots and pans. Can cook up some good food, even though I don't cook. It's okay. Anyways, we have a microwave. There's a toaster oven down there. We have a fridge, and look at this. We went to the commissary yesterday. Yes, that is what we got. I have leftover Popeyes, as you can see as well. Here's our TV, and in here, oh my gosh, so I have so many snacks. Oh, look at this. Yes, and half of those, no, more than half. Probably about 3/4 of that all came from home that I stuffed in my suitcase. Yes. But yeah, here's the couch. It's super comfy and soft. We have my suitcase hiding over there in the corner because to make the space more open, you know. A little desk area, phone to call, front desk, my laptop. Yep. And then we'll just, you know, turn the corner a little bit. Here's the bathroom. So, well, I guess this is the bathroom right here. So we have bathroom, you know, little, there's my stuff in the corner. There's Christina's stuff. Hey. Yep. Towels. And here. Hey, y'all. Yep, that's me. This is like the little sink area. We have two drawers here. There's my stuff, Christina's stuff, you know, more stuff. And then, yeah, the space. And then we make this little corner here. And here's the bed. I sleep on that side. Christina sleeps on this side. We share the bed. It is great. No, the bed is super comfy though, no joke. Really like it. And yeah. Alright, so that was short, simple, and sweet. I'm glad you guys got a little tour of our place. Yeah, so I guess I was a bit skeptical at first because, or having a roommate, because I didn't, at first we were told that we wouldn't be having roommates, that we'd be staying by ourselves, having our own room. And this is on the contracted side, because we are contracted to be here right now. So on the contracted side, there is one person per room, and but the rooms are all filled now with contracted positions that people have. So that's why we're staying on the lodge side, and the lodge side is where families stay that are either leaving the base or getting ready to come onto the base. Yeah. And so that's why that we are in these rooms. But it's super nice because, one, we get free breakfast, and we also get room service. So yeah, so housekeeping comes in, so our room is always clean. So that is another perk. Yeah, so it's just, I'm super happy like with the situation and what happened. There's also, like, Christina and I share the bed, but I guess we don't have to. There's also this couch, which turns into a little pull-out bed, but to have more space, that's why we just share it, because it's easier. And honestly, Christina and I are like the same person, so, you know, it's fine. Yeah, I got super lucky with my roommate situation and everything that's happened so far, and yeah, just feeling blessed, honestly, and it's been a great round. It's only the third day being here, second day with Camp Adventure, and yeah, I'm just loving it so far, honestly, and I just can't wait to see what goes on the rest of the summer. So yeah, that's all I have for you right now. Bye, guys.